Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTON. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day, and PTON continues to grind higher and higher, although it started very rough on the day, but this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos I've done on this one. But if you have watched past videos, you know that I've talked about that green line being an area of support. And with the gap down this morning, was it exact? Wasn't quite exact, but for a $125 stock, not too shabby to see how close it got to that level at support before getting a very, very impressive bounce in the upwards direction. So more of the story there, not patting myself on the back, but definitely patting charts on the back. Is technical analysis in charts a perfect tool? No, nothing is perfect, but is it something that should definitely be learned and used within your trader tool belt? Yeah, absolutely, and this was a great example of that. Now, moving forward, going to go ahead and adjust this level up into what I would now consider the newest ideal level of support. Ideal means say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 133. Now, don't get me wrong. The price falls below 133. I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that's where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. And just from the grand scheme of it all, in terms of gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price continues to stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, sure, staying above 133 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, what I've been saying in the past, I'll continue to say resistance levels don't matter. What matters the most is what the price just continues to do. And that's this right here. Build those higher lows, or if you want to picture these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be constructed in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.